Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's general reading. Yes, hoping you're all having a nice morning and had a restful night. And yeah, let's get into the first reading. Okay, I'm going to start over here with the Tattoo Tarot. Straight away. King of Cups. With energies around the collective. Into here. As we heard. We've got the Queen of Cups back of the deck, the little glary, check her out, and we also got the King of Cups. Maybe you are finding your perfect partner. That can be love, business, yeah. 3, growth and communication. Just move all those around. So the Hangman, the Thinking Man. There's 2 roses. Do they represent the both of you? You and your new partner? Thinking of a way to even communicate with your new partner, possible new partner. Coming out of that energy. Yeah. Seems to be a bloody good energy. Let me just some comments from the Hangman. Is there something that you need to speak up to get the courage to go and talk to this person that's out there who thinks that you're going to have a good relationship? Is it a business partner? Going to have growth and profit in your business? You know, it is trying to decide which direction to take in your business or relationship. What's going to be benefiting the both of you. Six of Swords. Taking care of yourself. Finding compassion and healing. Is there a workplace relationship where it was not the best relationship and now you're coming out of it? The Sun. Ooh. There's definitely expansion and growth. You are gonna shine bright in your new growth. You're the dancing under the sun. Happy. Dancing. The sun doesn't look too pleased. Maybe do you look very happy? I guess you are happy. You're dancing. Hands up in the air, feet up in the air. Celebrating the growth, the change, the welcome change. Celebrating the union. of you and this other partner. Is this person an older person? An older gentleman? But yeah. Choosing the right choice. Making this decision. Think about these choices before you make them. Don't just dive straight on in. And really think about the choices that you have before you, because you do have several. But this person is definitely going to bring a lot of joy and happiness to you. Yeah. Let's just pop you guys up together. You're facing this way. She's like looking at him. Could possibly looking at her, or thinking of what decision as well. Eyes looking up into the air. Yeah. Do you have a decision to make? I think it's more business than personal. A business growth. More than a love relationship. Yeah. I think it's more of a business relationship that you need to decide which direction to take. So yes, definitely think about it. Think about these decisions before moving forward. Yeah. Okay. Yes, we should do that in any situation. Okay. Big business decision to make. Be sure you're choosing the right one, choosing it for yourself. Before moving forward. Now let's move that one down. Oh, into there. Let's pull it. Another set of cards. Death. Wow. Death and the Nine of Cups. Something's definitely coming to an end here. Very change that's bringing fulfillment. A major change that's bringing fulfillment. Just came flying out of there. Okay. Back of the deck. 7 of coins. Things seem to be lining up with the 7 of coins. Wow. A lot of mixed messages here for me. Excuse me. Okay. The death again. So much change is happening. Whew. A new beginning. Maybe you're getting a new job. You do have the Nine of Pentacles in the background as well. Fulfillment with money. Sorry, not the Nine of Pentacles. Which one's that? The Eight of Pentacles. Sorry, that wasn't 9. It's a Seven of Pentacles. Seven. Apologies. Seven of Pentacles. Oh my goodness, my voice. What is happening? And you've got the Ace of Pentacles. Also got the Ten of Wands. And the Death card. You're coming to something's crazy, something's dramatic has happened, and it's bringing a completion to it, an end to it. My goodness. I cannot seem to shake whatever is out my throat. So you've hit rock bottom, shattered all these glasses, shattered all of your cups of abundance. Okay. You've hit your rock bottom, and now you're rebuilding, beginning something new. You're coming out of this horrible energy, stagnation. It's coming to an end, and you're going to start rebuilding. You're building a new life. Such a heavy energy, guys. So now you're stuck in this mode. Okay. Hermit mode. Thinking. Looking back on your past, in this past failure, thinking if it was worth it to go through this. Okay, it is, because what have you learned from this period? What have you learned from the mistakes? Okay, what can you change? What can you rebuild from this, from the past? Can that take you in a new direction? Can that what can you build from this? What foundation do you have that you can rebuild? Because you can rebuild. You just need to take a moment, sit back and think about it, because you're gonna come out of it. You just need to take a break, maybe remove yourself from this situation, go somewhere that you're feeling safe and comfortable, and then decide what the new direction is going to be. You know, like a turtle in his shell is home. Go inside your shell, speak to somebody who'll be able to give you advice on your new direction. Somebody who knows you well and how to give that, okay? Become the Father of Wands. A little, okay? A compassionate person. Sort of Pentacles. Creativeness. There's a light at the end of the rainbow, okay? Yeah.